So our lesson today is about consonant LE syllables. So when we have consonant and LE syllables at the end of the word, they come at the end of the word, they will make a syllable by themselves. What's the meaning of syllable? The syllables are the small units or the small parts of the word, and each syllable should have one vowel sound. Okay, so how will we divide the word when we have a consonant LE at the end? So today we're going to learn all about count back three. So when we want to know how to read the word or to divide the word, we will look at the word and wait, I need the pencil. We will count back from the end. 1, 2, 3. Then we will divide it or break it. So here we have the first syllable. It's only A. It's an open syllable, so it will have all a long vowel sound because the open syllables they end with a vowel and they have long vowel sound. So it will be able, not able. No, it will be able. Let's look at here. We will count back 1, 2, 3, and divide the word before the consonant. So here we'll have consonant and LE. The first syllable here, it is a closed syllable because it ends with a consonant and it has a short vowel sound. Handle, handle, handle. Let's look at here. We have LE at the end or final LE. So we'll count from the end. We'll count back like this. 1, 2, 3. Then we will divide the word or break the word. So this word will be eagle. Why did we read it as E? Because it is an open syllable. And here we have two vowels. The first one we said before, when there are two vowels are walking, the first one will does the talking and it will say its name. So to read a word end with LE, we're going to count back from the end and then we will divide the word or break it into syllables so we will be able to read this word easier. Here, let's count 1, 2, 3 and divide it. Let's look at the first syllable now. Oh, what's wrong with the pencil? Okay, with the pen. Here, it is a closed syllable because it ends with C, so it will have a short sound. Pickle, pickle, pickle. And here, kill, not kill, no, it's kill because the LE, they have the O sound, okay? So able, handle, eagle, and pickle. Let's see, Lujane. Divide this word. Read it, then divide it. What is it?
Castle.
Castle. Excellent. How can you divide this word?
We put a line between the S and T.
Wonderful. We'll count 1, 2, 3. Then we will put a line between the S and T. Castle. Don't forget that T is silent.
I said teacher.
What?
I said the T is silent.
Excellent. Yes, thank you. I didn't hear you. So, LE comes at the end of the word. LE makes the L sound like in little. Little. Maya, tell me, how can we divide this word into syllables?
Yeah, teacher.
How can we divide the word little into syllables?
Little.
Okay.
Little.
Little. Excellent. Little. Between the T and T, we'll count back.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
3.
and divide the word little.
Yeah.
So we said before, each clap stands for one syllable or one vowel sound like able, handle, eagle, pickle, castle, little. Okay, yes, Rafir.
Yes, miss.
Read the word and tell me how can you divide puzzle.
Puzzle.
Excellent.
Puzzle.
So, puzzle.
three letters and three
Excellent.
letters.
And the first syllable is a closed syllable. Yes, Gloria.
Purple. Between R and P.
Excellent. Between R and P, but not purple. It's pear. Because U and R have R sound. Purple. Purple. Excellent. Thank you. And the first syllable is a closed syllable. Don't forget the closed syllable and let me write it for you. If you forget, you will remember. The closed syllable ends with a consonant and it has a short vowel sound. The open syllable ends with a vowel and it has a long vowel sound. Do you remember? Sundus, you answered. Let's see who didn't answer. Hissa, Nawaf, they didn't answer. Wait, please.
Forgot to put a D in close.
Really? Where is it?
In the close syllable.
Okay. Which one?
Close.
The close here.
With-
The close syllable ends with consonant. I didn't put D.
You have to add a D.
Add a D to the word close?
Yes, the closed syllable.
No. The close. It's okay. Close or close. Do you want me to make it past the same? It's a close syllable. Thank you, Santos. It's correct if we add the and it's correct without the. Let's see حصة. Hello, teacher. Yes. Yes, حصة.
Yeah.
Read the word.
Wait. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Yeah.
How can we divide it?
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Between what and what? Let's count from the back. 1,
1,
2.
2, 3.
Squirrel. Here we have EL, but I want you to know EL, LA, and AL, they have the same sound. They have the L sound. EL, no, LE, then EL, then AL. Both of them have the L sound at the end. So here's squirrel, 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 squirrel. Okay? Thank you, حصة. نيان then فراس. نيان.
Yes, miss.
Read the word.
Where is it?
The
Camel?
second word. No. The second word. Here, I didn't put a picture because you know the meaning of travel. It doesn't need a picture.
That's trouble. I know it.
Okay, read it and tell me how can I divide the word.
Travel.
Okay.
TR only with themselves.
No, Nayan, no. Count from the back. 1, 2, 3, and divide it. So travel, not travel. No, it's travel. Travel. Here we have an open syllable. Travel.
But to understand it, how we do like this?
Count from the back. 1, 2, 3, then divide it. When we have LE, EL, or AL, count from the back. How many letters? We said consonant, LE.
What appeared out of the sky out of nowhere?
Who's shouting? Or consonant E-O or consonant A-L?
Miss, wait,
Yes.
wait. Um, we have EO. The next one we will count from the first.
No, from the end, all the time. Count back.
I don't understand it.
Okay, listen, Nayan. Let's look at the word. Look at this word. Wait. Please listen to me, then you're gonna talk. If you didn't understand, I will explain it again. So here we have the word. Here we have LE at the end. So the syllable will have consonant L and E. How many letters? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letters. So we will count from the end. 1, 2, 3. Then we will divide the word. So we will read it. Read, do, read, do, read, do. Yes, it's Nayan. Unmute your mic.
Yes, miss.
Do you understand or no?
But if we have a short word.
What do you mean a
Like,
short word? One syllable word? We will not divide it.
No, like car. What
No,
what will
car, listen please, Nayan. Car, it's one syllable word, but here we are talking about the words that end with consonant, then EL, or consonant LE, or consonant, wait, let me write them for you. Consonant LE, or consonant AL, or consonant EL. Only those words, not all the words. So riddle, what's the meaning of riddle? What belongs to you but others use it more than you? It's a riddle here, okay? Nayan, you understand? We have many spelling rules and we divide the words. For example, if we have, here look at here. If we have vowel, consonant, vowel, we will divide it between the two consonants. So we have different rules, but car, it's only one syllable word. We cannot divide it. You understand this, Nayan, or not yet? So we can use this rule only for the words that end with consonant LE. Do you understand, Nayan?
no?
No? Okay, listen, concentrate with us until the end. If we finish and you didn't understand,
Miss, I don't understand if we have 4 letters. Like anyone has 4 letters.
like
How
what?
we will divide?
Yes, we have many different rules. We will not use this rule for them. For example, if we have basket or giant, let's write them. For example, if we have basket, maybe paper or giant. Do you remember when we took this word, giant? Do you remember what did we do? We said basket. We divide it into two closed syllables because we have two short sound. Basket. What about paper? In the word paper, we have a long sound. That means we will divide it after the vowel. Paper. What about giant here? Giant. We have a long vowel sound, so we will divide it after the vowel. So it will be giant. So Nayan, we have many different rules. We will not use this rule for all the words. No, only the consonant LE words. Do you understand or not yet, Nayan?
No, I understand.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Okay, so Nayan, don't forget, we have many different ways to divide the words. We don't have only one rule. No, we have more than one rule, but Our rule today is talking about the words that end with consonant LE, not all the words. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Miss, like the open syllables and the,
We have the open syllable and the closed syllable in all the syllables. But I meant, for example, if we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, we will divide them between the two consonants. For example, and you should remember each syllable should have one what? Vowel sound. Okay, now Snayan, try to divide the riddle.
Where?
Riddle.
1, 2, 3. Between the BLE, how I will
Tell me between which letters? Tell me the letters. Between what and what?
B and B.
D and D. Thank you. Excellent. But not B, there are D. Between the D and D. Thank you.
I will do my.
Okay, let's see who else. حصة. Camel.
Camel. Mel.
Okay. Between what and what?
Between
which letters?
M.
A and
M.
M. Between A and M. We will count back. 1, 2, 3. Then divide the words. So camel, squirrel, travel, riddle, camel. Here we have tunnel, Muhammad.
What?
Read the word and tell me how can I divide this word.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, count 1, 2, 3. Then divide the word. Okay, read the word. Tunnel. Here we have two closed syllables. Tunnel. Excellent. Thank you, Laura.
Tower. Nike.
No.
Nickel.
No, not nickel.
Nickel.
No. How do we know it?
The voice not clear. I didn't hear you. Nickel. Maybe the message is not clear. Maybe the message is not clear. And who is writing in the screen? Nickel. Nickel. Between C and K. Did you hear me, teacher? I didn't hear you. Yes.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, now I can hear you.
That's
Hello?
good. I was talking
Yes, I
to
can
you.
hear you.
Okay, thank you. Excellent, Laura. You asked who wrote on the screen. I wrote for you. I was talking, but you didn't hear me. Thank you. Okay, let's see Sundus. Then okay, Dana, because she didn't answer. Sundus, she answered before.
What, teacher?
Yes, Dana, read the word and divide it quickly because you have a break.
Towel.
Towel. Okay.
from O and W.
Excellent. Between O and W. Okay, we're going to solve